Hey folks, welcome back to Muscle Cars of Texas. Right down here in rainy Alvin, Texas. But we haven't done anything on this car before as far as social is concerned. It's our 48 Dodge Business Coupe, two-door. And the owner had an old style bag system in this car and it was just falling apart. I mean, just wasn't working. Everything was falling apart in the car, so he gave it to us and we've been working on it. And as you can see, we've done some detailing and some restoration work. All the front end stuff is new on it. Control arm bushings, tie rod ends, drag lengths, all that kind of stuff is new so that when we get this thing to flop down on the ground, you'll still be able to drive it. The front end basically is done. The airbags are in place. All the lines are in place. Your front suspension is in place. And see the rear end is in place. The differential housing, right? Axles, all that kind of good stuff. It's all been blasted and cleared and painted, so it all looks nice underneath the car. And now we've got to finish it up, hook the shocks to it, do some more, run the airbag lines to it, the high pressure lines. And this baby will be ready to sit on the ground. Put the wheels on, sit on the ground and let it go do its thing. You know where that's happening? Right here at Muscle Cars of Texas.